I recently started a garden, and I've been watering everything with my watering can since I don't have a nice place to store my hose. So I decided to set up a hose holder that I can keep in my garden. So far, I really like it. And this hose holder comes shipped to your door, ready to hold your hoses as well. Setup takes little time. Just screw the middle rods onto the feet. Then screw the legs together. Screw down the top pieces, and then connect them together with the smaller bracket. Next, screw down the hose holder, and we're good to go. Now you can find where you want to put it, and stake it into the ground. Now I can water my garden with the hose, and when I'm done, I can easily coil it back onto the hose holder. It says it can hold hoses up to 150 feet, and I can confirm, definitely holds my 150-foot hose. And it's pretty sturdy for just being staked in the ground. It also has hooks on the back, so you can hang up some garden essentials. I put on some spare weed whacker spools, and it fit perfectly. Now I have my hose wrapped up and ready for me, as well as other garden essentials whenever I need it. Just lift the hose off, do your watering, and wrap it back around. Overall, I'm really pleased with this hose holder, and have no complaints. So if you're looking to hold some hoses as well, this hose holder might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go water my garden. See ya.